cheat sheet, so that you can execute those things in the AWS also. Okay, so I mean to say, like, directly we can jump into the version control system, or if required, then I will discuss. I will touch base directly. I will once I will touch base the OS types, and then Linux introduction and flavors of Linux. I will discuss on Monday also. No problem. So I think I hope I'm clear. So if any doubts, you can ask now. Any doubts related to the session or related to the DevOps process or related to the DevOps tools or interview guidance, anything you can ask. So if you have. Okay, guys. I hope if I
Sir,
have, yeah,
yes, sir. This is Manibabu.
yeah. Tell me, Manibal.
Sir, in our projects, we are using these 10 tools we are using, right?
Okay,
Overall,
you
the
are
10 tools we have to learn.
no. So that's what I said, right? So I mentioned only see, some of the tools only we need to learn, not all the 10 tools. Like so from here onwards, from Git onwards, Git is one tool, so that we need to learn anyhow. Then build tool, Maven we will discuss, and Ant also we will discuss. But these both are same actually. Both Ant and Maven are same. So if you learn Maven, that is the advanced tool, mostly advanced tool. And if you learn Maven, then it also covers some of the topics from Ant also. So this is the tool we need to learn from build tools. And then CI/CD tools. So CI/CD tools, we will cover Jenkins here, so that we need to learn. Then for repository management, JFrog Artifactory. So Artifactory is the tool name, so that we need to learn. Docker and Kubernetes also we need to learn. Ansible we need to learn. Okay. Then for infrastructure monitoring, Nagios we need to learn. Yes, it is closely. It is 8 tools, I guess. Actually, not all the 10 tools. We need to. I think these tools. Okay. So
Yeah.
Git, Maven 2, Jenkins is 3, container management Docker 4,
Ansible.
Ansible 5, and then monitoring tools 6, Nagios 6. Okay. Then I think yeah. So these are the additional tools. So for example, if you no need to learn very deeply, so at least you need to know, like what is going on, like what is shell scripting, and what is GUI scripting, and what is YAML scripting, and what is Python scripting, and what is going on inside the databases like MySQL and MS SQL. You need to at least you need to know the basic things. No need to no need to dive very deeply. So you need to know the basic concepts. But this Sonar Cube is a very important tool. Most of the projects are using. We will touch base with this Sonar Cube. It won't take much time. Sonar Cube is it's like a 1 day or 2 day sessions. We can cover all the main modules of Sonar Cube and how to integrate with Jenkins and all these things we can discuss. Okay, so yeah, we can say approximately 7 to 8 tools we need to learn.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So any other questions? Uh, Fine. So if you don't have any other questions, then we can close the call. So thanks for joining. So we'll meet on Monday again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.